Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy CHILLGUY coin on Phantom Wallet. Now this meme coin that is named CHILLGUY is becoming very popular these days. So if you want to buy CHILLGUY coin in your Phantom Wallet, you are at the right place. Now first of all, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. And over here you need to tap on the swap option. Now once you do this, you will be landed on this page where by default Solana will be selected and it won't change to any other asset. So you need to make sure that you deposit some Solana or buy some Solana into your Phantom Wallet first. Now once this step is done, you need to tap on the drop down menu in the You Receive section. And here, you just have to simply scroll down in order to find your CHILLGUY coin, or if you are not able to find that in this list, you can even use the search bar in the top. And here you can type chill. Now once you type chill, you will be able to see the first coin that is just a CHILLGUY. So you need to simply tap on that in order to select it. Now you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase the CHILLGUY coin. So here you need to enter the amount, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of CHILLGUY coin that you are going to get. Now over here, you just have to simply tap on the review order option in the bottom. And here it will show you the fees and some of other related information relating to this swap. So here you need to tap on the swap option and wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Now once your transaction is successful, you will be able to get your CHILLGUY coin in your Phantom Wallet, and it will be visible on the home page of yours. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.